Hello, I'm here with Adam from ADI Snap One. Australia is a distributor-led market, right? And you're a distributor. What's the ADI Snap One difference?
I think the first difference is we're also a manufacturer.
Yep.
So, distribution is part of who ADI is. It's a leading global distributor, but we are also a manufacturer of exclusive brand products, many of which you can see here. So we are actually what I'd consider more of a hybrid. So what we do, we have our exclusive offering, and we supplement that through brands we also distribute as well. So the way we've got the booth set up is to highlight all those different ways and avenues that we can support the AV integrator in Australia and New Zealand.
Yeah, Australia's always been a leading light when it comes to the AV industry. It's always been a mature market. They always deliver amazing work. How are you engaging with the AV professionals, the system integrators out here in Australia, and what are they kind of asking of you?
Yeah, well, I mean, it's fortunate. So I've been in this industry for 30 years myself, so I've seen a lot of change and evolution. What we're seeing now is that integrators are demanding more, whether from their distribution partner or the manufacturer. And what we try to do is, always put our dealer and customer first. The things that I believe make us special and what we hear from our customers is our route to market, our timeliness of fulfillment, our leading technical support, which is basically manned for 12 hours, 5 days a week, locally, and then we follow the sun. So leveraging our global footprint. So being able to support the integrator in all aspects of their business, also helping them be operationally efficient, because there's obviously money made in sales, but the big part comes in at how do you support, manage and maintain that business and the expectations of the consumers or the businesses that invest in these products and solutions.
Yeah, and you mentioned that ADI Snap One has a global footprint, right? Like you're one of the few that can make that claim with some level of authority. Could you give some insight into how Asia Pacific as a region is performing?
Yeah, it's an interesting question. So ADI is very strong in North America and Europe. We are leveraging that platform to actually build our footprint through Asia Pacific. So whilst we're here in Australia, it's our hub and home. We are full direct service here. We work with distributors through Asia Pacific, and we also have direct customers as well. So the Asia Pacific market is probably the largest opportunity presently in the global market. Some recent surveys have shown the level of investments throughout all of Asia Pacific. I think India's leading the way actually in Pro AV at the moment. And despite all the challenges going on with China, that's going through a big investment strategy as well. I think the industry overall, you said Australia is the leading light in some of those areas, but I think there's a lot to be learnt through Asia Pacific, and a lot that we can learn from the rest of Asia Pacific and bring here to help benefit our customers and vice versa. So it's the sky's good, and the future's bright for everybody in this market, I believe.
Adam, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate the time, and thank you to everybody for listening.